In this BorderConnect tutorial, I'll show you how to create and manage insurance policies for your company with a mobile device. An insurance policy is a type of coverage for your company and vehicles if accidents occur, and can be assigned to trucks in your fleet in BorderConnect. It's a requirement to assign an insurance policy to your truck profile if you'll be hauling hazardous goods on your eManifest destined to the United States. And to learn how to create a hazardous goods profile in BorderConnect, click the link at the top of the video now. Once you're logged into BorderConnect, to create a new insurance policy, click the menu icon and click AC Manifests. Then click Insurance Policies in the ACE Data Management section. This will bring you to the insurance policy listing page, where you can view existing insurance policies added to the system and also create new insurance policies. And to create a new insurance policy, just click New Insurance Policy. From the top, enter the legal name of the insurance company. Then below, enter the policy number. Next, enter the issue date of the policy and the full policy amount your insurance is covered for. Once you've verified all the insurance info and it's correct, click Save at the top. And this will bring you back to the insurance policy listing page, where you can now see that the new insurance policy you just added is now in the system and ready to be used. So now, let's use this new insurance policy on a truck so it can then be used to haul hazardous goods into the US. To do this, click the menu icon, then click Manage Data. Now in the Truck section, click Search Trucks, which will bring you to the truck listing page. Now locate the truck you'd like to add the insurance policy to, and you can do this in two ways. You can do this by searching for the truck unit number or plate number and then clicking the search button here, or by scrolling down the listing to locate the truck. Once you locate the truck, click the down button, then click Edit. Then, once you're on the Edit Truck page, go down to the Insurance Policy field and tap it to select the insurance policy you'd like to add to the truck. And as you can see here, the insurance policy we just added at the beginning of the tutorial is right here. So just tap it to add it to the truck. Then click Save at the top. Now, the next time you're hauling hazardous goods into the United States, be sure to use this truck or another truck that has a valid insurance policy in its profile if you want to be able to successfully submit your AC Manifest to CBP. And to learn how to add a new insurance policy from a laptop or desktop, click the link at the top of the video now.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click subscribe below or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.